All right, I just want to make a quick video for you. I drew this myself. All right, I'm not a great artist, but I've seen enough of this to draw, especially this right here. You've probably seen this all over the internet. But just really quickly, we're not going to mess around. In this program, we're going to be helping you get your credit fixed. Okay, we're going to show you what to do, give the steps you need. Now, just know it's going to take some time. All right. Yes, you got to send out the first letters. You got to send out your notices. Yes, you do. All right. Especially if you would get to the point to where you're going to need some legal help. You have to show the part that you did. So and show how the companies or the credit bureaus were negligent. Then you have a leg to stand on. That's why it takes so many rounds. What you see on the internet is what people are doing after they've done 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds. And then they do that final push. And then it shows, OK, you get your credit fixed in 30 days. That's what you see. So we get your credit fixed. Then we're going to show you how to get funded. We're working with a great program, Cook's Financial, showing individuals how to get funded, 100,000 plus. All right. The purpose of credit is to get funded to turn profits. All right. Not to get credit, to get funded to buy things. All right. Although I got a really nice bag over there, but my business bought that. OK, that was a write-off. That was a write-off. OK, so you use it and you invest in profit generating businesses. And we got some great ideas. We're going to walk you through the process to get your first profit generating business. Then you pay off that investment in under 12 months. Then we start talking about how you can have tax savings and using trust to protect this process, because some of this revenue you earn could be tax exempt depending on what you operate through or what you put it into. And we'll talk about that as well in this 6-month masterclass. So I know this is kind of generic here, but this is the whole process. And how long does this take? Until it gets done. All right. We don't know how long this process is going to take. We don't know how long this is going to take. It may be some things that you need to do first. OK. And once you get this done, all this step is simple. It starts to flow. But you get it done. However long it takes is how long it takes. OK, you spent the last 3, 4, 5, 10, whatever years messing your credit up, because your bad credit didn't start when you stopped paying. It started from the financial information that you didn't receive. That's when it started. So your bad credit over here, 500s, 400s, 300s, didn't start when you stopped paying on your bills. It started when you didn't receive financial literacy. And it led up to the lack of the financial literacy you had led up to the bad credit. So not only do we have to help you fix it, we also have to give you the education so you always know how to keep it up, or if something happens, what to do. And so this will always flow all the time. All right. This number could eventually go to $1 million. And now you got $1 million funded. Just think what you could do with that. OK, so Coach MT, would love to see you inside the class. I hope this video was valuable, and talk to you soon.